Welcome back to Mr. Dow Weather Updates, and today we'll have a look at the radar first by having a look at all the rain that has been going on today. It's been quite an unsettled day today in at least most parts of England. We've had quite a lot of wind as well. Even now I can feel some gusts from the window, and you can see here, like I said, lots of rain. Some of it has been heavy and has been quite persistent throughout the day. Some areas may have stayed dry, but it's mostly northeast of England where the weather warning was placed, and bits of London as well, and lots in Northern Ireland as well. There is a few weather warnings to just disclose on. Alert, there is a amber warning as well. That we're going to have a look at after this. That is for rain, another amber warning, so I'll be having a look at that in a minute. But still, we have a lot of rain to get through today. It is staying quite. The one in the northeast will be lingering until probably tonight, because you can see here it does take a while to break up, with heavy rainfall scatteredly. Now the temperatures has been quite low again, 16 degrees as you can see on the icon there. Of course, decreasing throughout the day. So like I said, there is a lot of weather warnings to have a look at. All of it's for rain. I'll first have a look at a few little ones. First have a yellow warning for rain in Northern Ireland. Just for someone who lives in Ireland, if you don't want to know about this. Just a yellow warning for rain. Heavy rain may lead to flooding and transport in that area, of course, of Belfast. So that's the yellow warning there. Bus and train services will be affected with journeys taking longer. Flooding may be possible, depends how saturated the ground is. Power supplies may be interrupted, maybe a few floods. So 30 to 50 millimeters widely, 60 to 80 millimeters to Mearns. I don't really know this area, so I'm just going to have a look at this. And the grid says it is likely, it says it's very likely and has a low impact, so at least we know it's likely. Now we're going to move on to where the country today, where we live, which is England. A yellow warning for rain from today to 9 PM tomorrow. Now, it is a bit expired, but I'll still read it out. Heavy rain. There could already be some flooding. Anyway, so yeah, flooding probably maybe. Power cuts. Just to let you know, it's still there, so it still can apply. While some areas will miss the worst, there will be thunderstorms. 10-15 millimeters from the heavy shower in that area, with areas of 50 millimeters, so mostly thundery showers. 20 to 30 millimeters of rain in 2 to 3 hours, maybe 40 to 16 feet in 6 hours. And this says it's very unlikely and has a medium impact. I'm just going to see if we have a look at this one. Okay, so there's a new weather warning. Wait, is it? Oh, okay. So this is the weather warning for that is happening in my area. Again, another weather heavy rain for today. It's been very unsettled, especially in this area. So this would apply. And here is the information for that. Now I'm going to have a look at the amber warnings. The amber warning will be extending until tomorrow. Let's have a look. Yeah, another amber warning. Let me just have a look. There we go. Just need to check if have I done this. I think I might have. Yes, I have. Right, so have a look at the amber warning. There is an amber warning this time, guys. So definitely want to have a look at this one. This amber warning would be until 6 PM today to 6 AM tomorrow. So it's a 10-hour warning. Since it's amber, I would take this a lot more seriously, as it's obviously, since there's been so much rain probably in this area, obviously you want to take a bit of caution. So this area is covering the Midlands, so West Midlands mainly. So heavy rain causing flooding and transport disruption for evening and overnight. So this is going to start in a few hours. I would expect spray and flooding today. It says it's an amber warning, so it is possible. Okay, so homes and businesses are likely to be flooded. Damage to buildings. Communities may be cut off by flooded roads. Definitely some delays and cancellations to train and bus services probably are likely. Power cuts and loss to homes are likely. So even though it's quite a small area, still want to keep an eye on this, because amber warnings are nothing really to take lightly. Maybe yellow warning, but this is a little bit more serious. Slow moving showers, this is why it is probably great to do this. And thunderstorms will develop through the afternoon with a large band of heavy rain through this evening, with some clearing for south overnight. Areas are likely to see 30 to 40 millimetres in 3 hours or less, and maybe 50 to 60 millimetres in around 6 hours. It's the long-lasting rain, that's why. This obviously will be into saturated ground, so saturated means it's already wet. This yellow warning was the reason. Since this yellow warning has been there, we've already seen some heavy rain, so it could definitely lead to some flooding. That's why it's an amber warning. So again, it is a medium likelihood, so it's likely and has a impact. So that's why it's an amber warning. Probably because it's already bad enough, as there's quite a large area of yellow weather warning for rain. That might have been heavy. So that's probably why it's been an amber warning. This is affecting East Midlands such as Leicestershire, Northamptonshire, Leicestershire, Northamptonshire, and Rutland, Bedfordshire, Cambridgeshire, and then Peterborough, London and the South East, so Buckinghamshire, Milton Keynes, and Oxfordshire, South West England such as Gloucestershire, and the West Midlands such as Hertfordshire, Warwickshire, West Midlands, Cumbrian, and Worcester. So this is actually falling in quite a populated area. It's populated in Birmingham and Leicester. Peterborough are quite populated areas. So probably want to take this seriously. So really quickly having a look at the UKV to see how much rain there would be on this radar. I could already see that heavy rain pushing in from the east, affecting northeast areas. And you can see here that heavier thunder showers in the Midlands there, while that amber warning has been took in place. And that is slow moving, so it's slowly moving to the into like southeast area. So in terms of Friday, doesn't look too bad. May have a bit more clear spells as the cold air moves through, with a few more scattered showers in some areas. Might still see some hill snow in Scotland, as you can see through the purples there. And then on to Saturday, very nice, very clear, nothing like what we've had recently. We can see, let's have a look. As you can see here, scattered showers on Saturday, but still could see some sunny spells. Really quickly, Sunday, a few showers in Northern Ireland. That will push in on for Monday for now, so still quite a showery day. Well, night on Monday, but still. Some areas will be staying a little slightly dry, with clear spells in the evening, with some more showers around, especially the north, maybe. Now, really quickly, as I'm running out of time, let's have a look. So today it got to 16 degrees. On Friday it's going to get to just to 13 to 14 degrees, just widespread low teens, and that's it really. Nothing special. Probably the average, maybe even below average. Again, so low teens in most areas. Could see some frost tonight. When it stays dry, of course. 15 degrees. So again, mid-teens. Have I missed that? Oops, I have. Yeah, again. For Monday, a little bit warmer. 16 to 17 is possible. But still lingering in the mid-teens. So still turning quite cold. You can see why it's been quite unsettled. We have an area of low pressure and some tight ice bars causing the heavy rain and wind. And you can see here high pressure very shortly, and then some more gusty winds, as you can see from the tight ice bars. So like I said, judging through all this, very changeable of course. We might have an area for October if there's a little bit more high pressure, as you can see from the graph, but I will be having a look at that. You can see here blocking low though. There, we'll have a look at that later. So thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe in the amber warning, and I'll see you in the next video.